We've made our business successful by focusing on one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. This is a great example of the customized approach we take with everyone we serve. With our company, you get nothing less than the very best every single time we work with you. It's just one of the many things that sets us apart from our competitors. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a nice day.